Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Ilyas Azim. Welcome to the second video on data extraction from GitHub using PyGtihub library. In this video, we are going to extract features from projects hosted on GitHub. I have selected these projects just for example. And it is up to you how many projects you want to include. You can extract data from as many projects as you want. For example, what kind of data we can extract from projects? Suppose this is the PyGtihub project. The PyGtihub library code is available on GitHub on this repository. The first name represents the organization name, and after the slash the name represents the project name. We can extract the full name of the project, the number of pull requests in the project. You can see here pull request can be in open or a closed state, so we can extract either closed or open or all the pull request count or pull request also. But for this example, I will just extract the total number of pull request count. Similarly, the watches, the stars, and the forks. These three features are mostly used in the literature on GitHub is the parameters for project's maturity. The project having more number of watches, you can also call it subscribers, more number of stars and forks, it is considered as the mature or famous project. So I think we can extract the full name, the name, number of pull requests in the project, watches, stars, and forks. So let's start coding. For this tutorial, I will again need an access token, and as I have mentioned that I have considered just these projects. It is up to you, you can include more projects inside it. For this tutorial, I am including this second library, Pandas. So Pandas is a very powerful library of Python, which is used for file handling, file manipulation. Especially it is used for analysis. You can create, you can read CSV files with the help of Pandas, JSON files. Similarly, you can create your own data frames and save it as a JSON file or a CSV file. So in this tutorial, we are using Pandas is to save our extracted data into a CSV file. Let me create function with the name project extract project info, and first I will create an empty data frame with the name df for data frame project pd.dataframe. This code will create an empty data frame with a name df project. Now what is a data frame? A data frame is similar to an Excel sheet. Like an Excel sheet have rows and columns, so this data frame also have rows and columns, and we will extract data about the projects and save it in this data frame. I will loop through this project list. For project and project list. First I need to create an object of the GitHub class. I will pass access token to it. While sending requests to GitHub, sometimes you may receive some exceptions like retry limit were exceeded, or sometime rate limit exceeded. In the upcoming videos, I will discuss about it, and I will discuss about exception handling in PyGitHub. But for now, let's see, just focus on this code. Repository equals to g dot get repo, and pass the name of the project to this method. This loop will start from the first project and put the name of project here. The first project information will be extracted and saved in this variable repo. Then we can extract those information from the repo. Let's save our data now in the data frame df.append. It takes a dictionary and this one parameter. Okay. Inside the dictionary now we can specify what kind of information we want to extract from this variable. Suppose I want project ID. So call repo.id. Yes. I need the name of the project. Name. I can save the full name also. Now suppose the language, programming language. And now the rest of the parameters, these parameters. For watches, we have a property called subscribers count, stargazer counts, and fork counts. So let's use them. Forks repo dot forks count. Stars. We can have repo dot stargazers count. Yes. And the last one is watchers. Repo dot subscribers. Keep in mind, use subscribers. This is the correct property for watches. Now, if we want to PR for pull request, PRs count, like the total number of pull requests in this project. What we need to do is to extract those pull requests from this repo first. So here we can say PRs, pull requests from repo get pulls output request, and here we need to specify the state, and I said I need all the pull requests from this repository. So what I can do here is from PRs I need the total count. This is a property. Okay, up till now we have what we did. We have created an empty data frame, then we loop through these projects. Each time we pass our access token, create a variable. From that variable we extract each project information, save it in this variable. From this variable we have access all the pull requests, and then we have saved our data into this data frame. But now let's save this data frame into a CSV file. df project to CSV. Give a name to this project. I would like to save this CSV file inside this folder dataset. So I will just come outside of this script dataset and then install save the file. Dataset slash I will give it a name, project dataset dot csv. I will specify a CSV file is separated by comma or tab, but here I want to separate the columns by comma. Then I can specify the encoding UTF-8, which is the default, but you can use other if you need, and indexed equals to true. When the file is saved, this index means every row in the file will have a numeric index. So the code is almost ready. Let's try it. Let me call this method. Let me run it. It may take a little time because it will extract the data and save it into the CSV file. Okay, so the code has completed, processing has completed successfully, and a file has been created here. Let's see. Yes, data has been extracted from these projects and saved into the CSV file successfully. So I hope you would get an idea how to extract data from specific projects hosted on GitHub, then extract features from those projects and save it into a CSV file. In the upcoming video, I will discuss about exception handling in PyGithub, because when you use an API, you can get different kind of exceptions, different kind of errors. So this code must be robust, and you must handle such type of exceptions. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.